Flower Tribe. So today I'm going to show you some great options for your hydrangea arrangements. If we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kellylehman. I'm the owner of CranburyFields Flower Farm here in Cranbury, New Jersey. And I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips each week. So please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notifications so you know when I post some brand new fun, free flower tips. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. So it's hydrangea season and they're coming up all over the place here on the flower farm, and I wanted to show you some of the options that we put together. So this gal I love because we're using both the pink varieties of like an endless summer, Big Daddy hydrangea that we have. So we've got the pink guys going and we've got the blue guys going, and I think as some of you know, if you change the pH level of your soil with some of these hydrangea varieties, you can either alter whether they're going to turn out to be pink or whether they're going to turn out to be blue. So we actually got both of these flowers from the same type of hydrangea, but we just kind of altered the soil. And we'll make a video to show you guys how to do that. So this guy's got some pinks, he's got some blues, and we added some mint into this guy. I like using mint as fillers because it smells really pretty and it usually grows rampant in your garden. So if you want a plant that's gonna kind of take over a lot of ground, mint will do it. But just be careful because it has a way of really taking over your garden. So I cut these back a lot. I'll strip the bottom leaves away. Let me show you kind of how this works. I strip the bottom leaves away from this mint because you don't want leaves of any flower ever sitting in the vase of, of your flower arrangements, because that's going to cause bacteria. So we stripped all these leaves and then we popped it into our arrangement. And try not to let your mint go too long in your garden because it's going to wind up turning brown. So if you're going to add mint to your hydrangeas, that's the mint trick. So we've got these blue hydrangeas, purple hydrangeas, pink hydrangeas. Once again, these are all from like the same type of endless summer variety of hydrangea that we have. So that's just one color scheme. And we also added some variegated wigelia. This is also a great bush to have in your garden. It's all leaves, it's beautiful. It has either some pink or some like wine-colored flowers just for a short spurt in spring, but they make for great filler flowers for your arrangements if you like making arrangements from your garden plants and flowers. So variegated wigelia, mint, a couple different colors of hydrangea, boom, done. So here's another one, easy squeezy. And I love using monochrome colors sometimes, especially in like a tie leaf wrapped like vase. So we've got just a tie leaf on the bottom of this vase. It's a clear vase, but it hides the stems. So it's kind of a fun florist power trick to kind of put a giant leaf there to kind of cover those stems. And we basically did it like wedding style, like wedding bouquet style. So there are, oh, these guys kind of got away from me. Basically, we just took each of these and we went around, added, went around, added, went around, added, and we just kept going around and adding blooms until we had the shape that we liked. And then we just added, this is like a little Velcro strip, but you can also just do a little rubber band to keep them all together, because if you don't have a rubber band or a Velcro strip, they tend to flop over. And then when you move these arrangements from room to room, they're floppy. So give it like a little tie, a little rubber band, make sure the stems are cut so that it's not, gonna keep flopping over in your vase, and you're all set. And make sure, guys, you keep your hydrangeas cool. Your hydrangeas will flop if you have them in direct sunlight. They're kind of like peonies. They hate the heat. So keep your hydrangeas cool. If you can keep them in a cool garage at night or in an extra old refrigerator if you happen to have one, do that overnight. It will give you extended vase life. So that's another kind of like a monochrome, your blues and your purples color palette for this guy. And then this is like a brighter version of an arrangement that I love. So in this one, we have some garden echinacea. Thank you, Susie, my friend, my really good friend who sent me these seeds like a while ago. And she's got crazy echinacea growing in her garden. So she sent me some of the seeds a while ago. And I'm so grateful because now I have like the echinacea bug. So these are beautiful. And then we've got some sunflowers in here. We've got some bright pops of yellow. We've got the bright pops of pink. Once again, we've got these like endless summer, gorgeous blues and different hues. And then once again, we added our variegated leaves, and we have some more mint. So these are just some different ideas for your hydrangea arrangement. And I wanted to let you guys know that we did a whole playlist on hydrangeas, because everybody loves hydrangeas. So what we did was I made a couple videos, and it talks about your white Annabelle hydrangeas, how to, if you want to prune them or not to prune them, and some tips on those. We also have tips on how to get your hydrangeas to bloom if they're not blooming, and we also talk about how not to water them the wrong way. We're going to show you how to water your hydrangea the right way. So check out the rest of the playlist on this Kellylehman YouTube channel. We've got a hydrangea playlist. And also join us on Instagram and Facebook. And we also ship our flowers nationwide. So you can join us at CranburyFields.com, and we ship our flowers nationwide year-round. And I'm happy you joined us, and please feel free to put in comments below any questions you have about your hydrangeas or what your favorite variety of hydrangeas are, and I will see you guys in the next video.